Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to play Google Minesweeper. So first, just come to Google and search up Minesweeper. Okay, here we go. Just click on play and I'll just turn off the sound for now. And you have different difficulty options. You can do easy, medium, and hard. I'll show you easy just for an example. So what you do, you just click on a square to uncover it. Let's say this one right here. So we've uncovered all of the squares. Now, let me give you an example. So you basically are using these numbers to deduce which squares contain mines. So you flag them with a right click until all the mines are marked and all the safe squares are uncovered. For example, let me click on this. So you see this one is a mine. Why? You're probably wondering why. So this is one, the mine is one adjacent to that square. So there's a mine right here. And there's a mine 2 next to this one. So probably here or here as well. So if I probably come here, there should not be a mine. As you can see, there's no mine here. Now there's mines 3 numbers next to here. So there's a mine here for sure. I can right click this. I can flag this. There's a mine here for sure. There's a mine here for sure. Definitely a mine here, one adjacent. And there seems to be mines here. So I'll just flag these. These ones should be mines as well. This one should be a mine. I'll click on this and there we go. This one has a mine as well. So if you come here, these are 2 next to each other, as you can see, just as an example. So that is what you do, guys. So you use the numbers as clues. Okay. So the numbers on the board indicate how many mines are adjacent to these squares. So this one, there's definitely a mine. There's no mine here, as you can see. There's a mine 1 adjacent. There's definitely no mines here, as you can see, right? Definitely a mine here. Definitely a mine here. There seems to be a mine here as well. These ones should also be mines. If I touch this one, there should be no mine here. There you go. Okay, there's definitely a mine here, guys. There we go. There's a mine. There's a mine 2 next here. So that is how you play, guys. You keep uncovering the squares. Okay, and you will win by uncovering all the safe squares and flagging all the mines. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.